Hi boys and girls, it's Miss White here. Today we are on lesson 6 and your worksheet is going to look like this. And then you're going to have this for later to do on your own. All right, if you can write your name, go ahead and do that. If not, that's okay. But set it aside. We're going to go over the alphabet first. So how many letters are in the alphabet? We talked about last time. We have 26 letters in the alphabet. And what are those red letters called? Do you remember those? See, we have 5 red letters. And those are our vowels. And then we have 21 black letters, and those are our consonants. So in all, we have 26 letters in the alphabet. All right. Let's start by going over the alphabet together. If you have one of these strips, that's great. If not, you can follow along with me. We have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. All right, great job. Remember how we talked about rhyming words yesterday? We're going to do some more rhyming words today. I'm going to give you words, and if they rhyme, give me a thumbs up. If they don't, give me the thumbs down. All right. Fin, win. Yep, they have that N sound at the end. Bat, sock. Nope, they have the T and the K sound at the end, so they don't rhyme. All right. Man, fan. Those rhyme. Rock, tick. They don't rhyme because it's ock and ick, so they don't rhyme. They both have a K sound at the end, but it's 2 different sounds. All right. Pop, mop. Those do rhyme. All right. Pop, mop. Fit, pat. Fit, pat. No, again, they do have that T sound at the end, but it's it and at. So they do not rhyme. All righty. So last week, or yesterday, we learned about the letter O. Remember? We learned about how O makes the sound. We learned about how O makes 2 sounds, but the O we're learning makes the sound, like an octopus. And that this little curl line or smile face is a breath, which makes the vowel the short sound, which is the sound. All right. On number 1, let's practice writing our lowercase o there. Do you remember how to write our lowercase o? We skywrite, we just start here, go around, and come right back up to the top. So let's practice that. Round and right back up to the top. All right. On number 2, do you remember the letter that we learned yesterday? Or not yesterday, but last week. Our lion, ol. On number 2, we're going to write our L for lion, ol. So, because I did the other videos a long time ago, I don't remember exactly, but the way that I'll do it is I'll say ol, and then I point at you, and I want you to say ol. And then when I go like this, you're going to tell me the letter that that sound makes. So we'd say L. And then I'll point down, and that's when you write the word. Or the letter, sorry. So we're going to write our L. Just line down for L. Remember, real easy peasy. All right. The only different thing we're going to talk about today is the uppercase O. So we already learned about lowercase o. We're going to learn about uppercase O. I'm going to show you this worksheet that I want you to practice later on your own to show the difference. You can see O looks exactly the same, big and little. It's just bigger when it's a capital O. So when we're looking at our worksheet, all we're looking for are the big O's. So go ahead and put your worksheet down and circle the big O's. I'm going to do the same thing. And then we're going to count how many O's we found together. All right, I'm ready, but I'm going to give you another minute because I bet you need another minute. All right. If you need more time, pause it. Otherwise, we're going to move on. I'm going to show you. But you can always pause the video if I go too fast to move on. So here you can see my green circled O's. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 O's. All right. After the video is over today, I'd like you to work on this little sheet on your own, and you can practice tracing the O as many times as you want. You can go over it and then the lowercase o. You could turn it around and do some practice O's on the back too if you want. And then we will see you for the next video.